How to choose a good car detailer. There are loads of options out there, and how do you know who to trust with your pride and joy? I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services, and today I'll give you a checklist for finding the right detailer, even if it's not us. Check their work. First, look at their portfolio. Any decent detailer should have plenty of before and after photos of the work that they've provided. Look at the details. Are the photos high quality? Do they show close-ups of the paint? Can you see real results? Instagram and Facebook are good places to check. If there's no photos, that's a clear red flag. Read reviews. Google reviews or your friend. Look for consistent 5-star reviews, specific comments about the work, responses from the business as well. Make sure they're recent as well, not from years ago. 1 or 2 negative reviews among dozens of positives is normal, but watch for patterns. Now ask about their process. A professional detailer should be able to explain exactly what they do. Now you can also ask them what wash method they use, what products do they use, how long will the service take. Do you measure paint thickness before polishing? The good answers is a good sign. The vague answers is a warning sign. Check accreditation and training. Professional accreditation matters. Look for manufacturer certifications, G-Technique, Geon, FenLab, Synergy Pro. Training certificates, membership and detailing association. Where Synergy Pro accredited for ceramic coatings and ROOPS accredited for machine polishing and paint correction. These require training and examination to pass. Now, what to watch out for in red flags. Be cautious if the prices seem too cheap. Corners are definitely being cut if that's the case. They can't explain their full process. There's no photos of their work, no reviews or only fake looking reviews. Pressure to book immediately as well. Won't answer questions as well is a great indication of a red flag. Now, our approach at Hadrian's, we're happy to answer any question. We'll show you our work. We'll explain exactly what we do and why. There's no pressure and no hidden fees as well. If we're not the right fit, we'll tell you straight out, and we'd rather you go elsewhere and be happy than book with us and be disappointed. If you do have any questions for us, give us a call. I'm always happy to chat, even if you're just researching. I'm James from Hadrian's, and I'll see you next time.